Hi reviewees, this is Tutor Marife. Let's continue solving this problem. How many integers between 197 and 303 are divisible by 4 or 10? The choices are A 37, B 31, C 26, D 25. In the first part of our solution, we've focused on the first hidden problem, which is the number of terms or integers that are divisible by 4. We've found that between 197 and 303, there were 26 integers that are divisible by 4. In this second part of our solution, let's focus on the second hidden problem, which is the number of terms or integers that are divisible by 10. Remember the basic rule for divisibility by 10. It states that if a number ends with 0, it is divisible by 10. So from this given interval, integers between 197 and 303, or integers